Looking for a quick, healthy and delicious nasta idea? This Suji Nasta is the perfect solution. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. Whether you are preparing a quick breakfast or a healthy snack or a tea time treat, this recipe is perfect. Plus it's easy to prepare and only need few simple ingredients. So let's make the recipe. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of suji to it. Add half cup of yogurt and half cup of water into the bowl. Use a whisk or spoon to mix everything very well. Mix until the mixture is smooth and there are no lumps. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion and 2 tablespoons of chopped tomato, 1 grated potato. These vegetables will add flavor and texture to the nasta. Mix everything very well. The batter should be thick and colorful with all the mixed vegetables. To the batter, add 1/4 teaspoon of chilli flakes, 2 chopped green chilies, half teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything very well. Now, it's time to make the batter fluffy by adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix the batter well after adding the baking soda. Friends, there are more easy and tasty recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Take a steel mold and brush some oil. Pour the prepared batter into the mold. Once the batter is poured into the mold, sprinkle a pinch of red chili powder and some coriander leaves on top. Take a large pan and pour about 2 cups of water into the pan. Place a small stand in the center to hold the mold above the water level. Place the mold on the stand inside the pan. Cover the pan. Cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the batter is fully cooked, carefully remove the mold from the pan. Let it cool down completely. Once cool, carefully demold the nasta. Slice it into small pieces. Serve the soft and spongy vegetable Suji Nasta with green chutney or ketchup. This nasta is perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even lunch boxes. Enjoy this healthy homemade treat. This soft, fluffy and flavorful Suji Nasta is not only quick to prepare but also a healthy nasta recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty recipes just like this one. Thank you for watching.